Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to read WhatsApp deleted message without installing any third party app in your phone. It always happens that someone sends you message on WhatsApp. Before you read the message, he deletes it for everyone. After that, you are not able to read the message. You are not able to know that what was written in that deleted message. But now it's possible. You will read the message, you will come to know that what was written in that deleted message, and you don't need to install any app in your phone. So if you want to know how to do it, you will have to watch this video till end. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe so that you can watch more informative videos on my channel. So guys, let's learn something new today. If you want to read WhatsApp deleted message without installing any third party app, there is a feature in your phone. You just need to enable that feature. After that, you can easily read all WhatsApp deleted message. For that, what you have to do, you have to open settings page in your phone, then scroll down and go to notification. On this page, go to advanced settings. Instead of advanced setting, it might be more settings in your phone. Click on it and this interface will open. On this page, you will find one option called notification history. This notification history setting you can find in every phone. Click on it and this interface will open. By default in your phone, this setting will be disabled. You just need to enable this setting. Once you enable this setting, just come back. And as you can see, I have another phone. Let me open WhatsApp in this phone. And what I will do, I will send one message from this WhatsApp to this WhatsApp. So first message I am going to send hi. Message has been received, as you can see. Let me type one more message. How are you? This also I have sent. And this one also has been received. So before I open WhatsApp in this mobile, what I will do, I will delete both message for everyone. Delete for everyone. Now, if I open this WhatsApp, you can see this message was deleted. Now, if you want to read this message, what you have to do? Again, you have to go to same page. Open settings, then go to notification, go to advanced setting, then go to notification history. Now, if you open notification history, here you can see WhatsApp. If you expand it, now here you can see two messages I sent, hi, and second was how are you. Both message I had deleted for everyone. But here you can read both message. First message hi, second message how are you. You just need to enable this setting. After that, you can easily read all WhatsApp deleted message without installing any third party app in your phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.